Hello students, I hope you all doing great. Uh, Today we're going to talk about the simple past tense, okay? So meaning and use for, that means structure. So let's start, okay? Meaning and use. So when do we use the simple past tense? We use the simple past to express the idea that an action start and finish it at a specific time in the past. What are some common time expressions used with the past tense? Yesterday, last year, last month, ago, last week, in 1980. Okay? Examples. I saw Maria yesterday. Look, so that's the main verb, but is in past. Okay? That's the time expression. Yesterday. Look, last Friday, the students took their spelling and vocabulary tests. They got married 2 years ago. Last Friday, yesterday, 2 years ago. So these options are over finished. Okay, just keep in mind that part. As an example. So what are the verbs that there are in past? Look, 1, 2, 3. They are not in infinitive, they are in past. So how do we form the simple past tense? English has two types of verbs in the past tense. Regulars and irregulars. Okay? So look at the following list of past tense verbs. Which verbs are regular and which are irregular? Thought, walk, studied, gave, became, cried, lived, did. Irregular, regular, regular, irregular, irregular, regular, regular, and irregular. Okay? Just keep in mind. Keep in mind because that's really important. So, regular verbs are verbs that end with ed. Look, simple form past tense. Walk, study, cry, live. Okay? So now, walk. Those verbs are in infinitive. That means present. Now, past. Just the same. You just add ed. Walk, studied, cried, lived. Okay? So those are regulars. Remember, regulars. Now, irregular verbs are the verbs that don't end with ed. Some regular verbs have a vowel change in the past tense. Example, simple form and past tense. Pay attention. Become, became. Give, gave. Drive, drove. Forget, forgot. Okay? Irregulars, irregulars, irregular. Okay? Now look at those pictures. Other irregular verbs have different kinds of change. Examples: simple and past. Teach, taught. Bring, brought. Leave, left. Heard, heard. Buy, bought. So, look, Celia bought a new computer last weekend. A computer, okay? Last weekend. Now look at the picture again. And some irregular verbs don't change at all. Example: simple in past form. Hit, hit. Put, put. Set, set. The children set the table every Sunday. Okay? The children set the table every Sunday. Look. So no change. Look. It's equal. They're the same. And look. Here, they are in simple present. Here, simple past. Okay, the children set the table last night. Okay, good. The children set the table every Sunday. That's a routine. Okay, but here express the past. Last night. Remember time expressions? Okay, good. Now look at those pictures. For regular verbs, simply use the ed form of the verb in a positive sentence. Look, when I was a child, I played the piano. When I was a child, I played the piano. What is the infinitive? The present weight or the present form. Play. It's played. Okay, when I was a child, I played the piano. Next, Donna. Donna, look at the picture. What is the verb? Visit. Past. Donna visited Paris. Okay, Donna visited Paris. Great. So be careful with the spelling changes. That's the only thing that you must keep in mind. Next, look at the pictures. So for irregular verbs, use the correct past tense form in positive sentences. We use the same form with different subjects. Unfortunately, these forms must be memorized. Okay? Now, last week I sent. Look. Present, sent. Past, sent. Okay? So last week I sent you a letter. The students had an English exam. Look, the students had. What is the present for had? Have or has. Remember? Have or has. Had is in past. So the students had an English exam. The other do. What is the past for do? Did. So they did a great job. They did a great job. Okay? Now, look at the picture. That's me. That's me right now. For negative sentences, use did not or didn't. Plus, so verb base form, infinitive. Look, that's the structure. Example: I went to work yesterday. I went to work yesterday. I didn't go. You see? Didn't, negative. Didn't, and the verb must be in infinitive. So the present form is go. In past is went, but this is affirmative. So when you are going to tell us something in negative, so you must use didn't, and the verb must be in infinitive. So I didn't go to work yesterday. Okay? Just keep in mind because that's really important. Thank you very much. Okay? See you